Before we start the video, let me give you guys some information first. These are just the last few clips I had from North Carolina. There's a bunch of different kind of things going on in this video, but there's mainly 3 big mods. So we got a hood, we got a new digital screen, and then we also got a roof box. So the clips are kind of just scattered around in no good order, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Next video is going to be sick, so stay tuned. Big surprise coming. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and peace. All right, guys, I gotta show you something real quick. You guys can see, got a bunch of ratchet straps. So let me show you guys what I got myself into. So, bought myself a roof box. But if you can tell, I have no roof bars on it, so I had to ratchet strap it onto the roof. And I have some stuff protecting paint, you can see. I wanted to put it in the trunk, but not enough space, so this is what we'll do. Honestly, it's pretty secure, I ain't gonna lie. You can see a little wiggle test. It's not bad at all. But let me guys show you what it looks like. Yeah, sick. So, wish me luck, and see you guys if I make it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we finally made it. You can see it's right up there. I'm about to take it down by myself. Usually it's a 2-man job, but got nobody else. So I'm gonna see if I can get it down and just leave it right here. So enjoy watching me struggle, I guess. We finally got it inside. This thing is humongous. Look at this compared to the hood. Hey. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later. Still gotta get this nut or this bolt for the roof racks. Then we can finally mount it perfectly and see how it would really look like. And then I'll show you guys the storage space, all the features, etc. But overall, pretty simple. Till then, catch you guys out. Alright guys, I just put it on, so let me give you guys a good look at what it looks like. Overall, not bad. I like it from the rear. I like how it says THULE right there. And it's just coming around the side here. Yeah, it looks sick, in my opinion. Here's the front. I think I got it pretty even, so, but not a biggie, or not a big deal for me. Overall, it looks freaking sick. I'll have so much more space to put up there. I don't know what I'm gonna put up there yet, but as you can see, I gotta pack all this out. So let me continue on. We got 2 packages here, as you can see. See the brand right there. Sheesh. ENON in-car entertainment. So let me go ahead and unbox this and show you guys real quick, and then we're gonna put her in right there. So let's get this started. Jeez, now you can see all in its glory. So be careful with that. And yeah, there's all the accessories and whatnot. So hopefully this doesn't take me too long. I'm gonna get started, set you guys up in the car, and yeah, let's try to knock this out. Okay, as you can see, I cleared everything. Running out of storage on my phone, but yeah, so all the AC lines went down, so I'm now just gonna connect them, and that's where the AC is gonna stay now. All right guys, I think I just finished. Here's everything connected. The only thing I don't have connected are these wires, or for like audio and whatnot. So, you know, front camera, I don't have one, subwoofer, etc. Audio left, audio right. Only thing I have is this. I'm gonna try out the mic, see how well that is. This is just rough installation, so I'm gonna pop it in real quick and see if I can turn it on and see if I get power, hopefully. So yeah, let's give this a shot. Moment of truth. AC works, that's amazing. Oh baby, here we go. So far, so good. Guys, this is freaking sick. So obviously there's all my stuff, all my Apple CarPlay stuff. See, we can go home. Can go to YouTube. That's crazy. I gotta obviously connect to my hotspot and whatnot, but yeah, this is crazy. What is vehicle? Oh shoot, you can do a bunch of stuff with this thing. This is dope. Obviously I'll have to fidget with it and make it how I want it to, but yeah, this is sick. Let's see, where's the radio? There's a calculator here. Just in case, you know, I want to do some stats real quick. Some stats homework, that's crazy. So I'm gonna finish rounding this up perfectly how I want it to, or at least for now, because, you know, I have a huge ass mess, but so far so good. Let's go, boys.